For storage food at home, I use this kind of method with the leftover lentil soup with a plate that fits the surface area that work as a lid, rather than this kind or this kind or this kind method, because these guys you have to remove the whole sealer, rubber sealer or silicone sealer. It's very difficult to clean all the nooks and hooks, and even this guy you have to clean the spiral on even surface. It's just way much easier to use this kind of method if you are storage food at home. So all surface that contact food are way much smoother, can be cleaned much easier with wiping movement rather than this kind of rubbing movement with this kind of closure method. This is good for people who has eczema hand, who really want to reduce the water contact time. Easier in general anyway for anybody, everybody.